The 1955 Chevrolet Biscayne XP-37 is a remarkable concept car that embodies the futuristic vision and innovative spirit of General Motors during the mid-20th century. Designed under the guidance of General Motors' legendary design chief Harley Earl and crafted by Chuck Jordan, the Biscayne was a centerpiece of General Motors' 1955 Motorama, a traveling exhibition showcasing the company's most ambitious automotive concepts. The Biscayne was more than just a styling exercise. It was a bold exploration of elegance, technology, and forward-thinking design. The Biscayne's design was revolutionary for its time. It featured a pillarless hardtop construction with dramatic suicide doors that opened from the center, creating a seamless and luxurious appearance. The car's stratospheric windshield swept up and integrated into the roofline, offering a futuristic aesthetic and improved aerodynamics. The body, made of fiberglass like the Corvette, was deeply sculpted with indented side panels, giving it a dynamic and graceful profile. The front fenders proudly displayed a gold anodized V logo, hinting at the powerful 265 cubic inch V8 engine under the hood, which produced 215 horsepower, a significant achievement for 1955. Inside, the Biscayne was equally innovative. It featured swivel front seats that pivoted outward, making it easier for passengers to enter and exit the low-slung car. The interior also included luxurious touches like front and rear ashtrays and lighters mounted on the driveshaft tunnel. Despite its advanced design, the Biscayne lacked functional electrical systems, as it was primarily a show car. The Biscayne's influence extended far beyond the Motorama stage. Its design elements, such as the round taillights and sculpted rear end, inspired production models like the 1958 Chevrolet, the 1960 Corvair, and the 1961 Corvette. The car's three-way panoramic windshield also found its way into General Motors' 1959-60 models. After its Motorama tour, the Biscayne faced the fate of many General Motors concept cars. It was ordered to be destroyed. However, the junkyard owner spared its fiberglass body, cutting it into 4 pieces and storing them. Decades later, in the early 1980s, car enthusiast Joe Bortz discovered the remains and embarked on a meticulous restoration. Using original General Motors blueprints, Bortz and his team rebuilt the car, including crafting a new chassis from scratch. The restored Biscayne was unveiled in 2010, captivating audiences once again. Today, the 1955 Chevrolet Biscayne XP-37 stands as a testament to General Motors' golden era of design and innovation. Its survival and restoration have cemented its place as one of the most significant and beautiful concept cars in automotive history. The Biscayne continues to inspire, reminding us of a time when cars were not just vehicles, but dreams of the future.